basket.
Where's the Easter
He's
basket?
hiding.
Let's go find it.
You got one, and Holden has one.
Where's the Easter basket?
They're in here. They're in this room.
James, they're in here.
They're in here.
See?
You
Where
find
is
Holden's
it?
basket?
Where's the basket? James.
He found them yesterday. That's a basket. That's true.
That's one. That's right. That's not the Easter basket.
That's your car basket.
James.
Where's the Easter basket?
Oh, okay. Yep. You found the other Easter basket. James.
Like, Mom, I don't
You're
care
funny.
about that other thing. Look, what's that?
Oh, wow.
Oh my, look at that.
That's
There's
Holden's
one.
basket.
That's
Okay, we
for
found one.
That's for
Should we give it to Holden?
Holden.
James,
Thank
where's the other
you.
basket?
Where's
Where is
James's
it?
That one to Holden.
basket?
Let's find
You
it.
need to
James.
find.
Is it behind the
Come
door,
here.
James?
No
Is
way.
it behind the door?
What's
James,
over there?
What's behind the door?
yes. Where's the other basket?
Where is it? Is it in there?
Look behind. Where's your book? There it is.
Bring it out, James.
That's for James.
Bring it out here.
Can you bring it? Show it to Mommy. Show it to Mommy.
Oh, what did you find?
That's
All right.
awesome.
Happy Easter.
What?
All right. That's what I get for taping it. Happy Easter.